Go Zeus. Zeus and I would like to dedicate this next final exam review video to a couple very special people to us. Last semester I had a very special foreign exchange student. So I would like to dedicate this video to my foreign exchange student and her special apple. And they will know what I mean. So this is dedicated to my little foreign exchange student and her special apple. And what we're going to do for them is we are going to do a problem that involves finding the domain of a rational function. So here's question number 2 from your final exam review video. Okay, all right, doggies, come back. Come on, come on, come on, we're making videos. Dorothy, come on, baby, hey. All right, so here we go. Question number 2 from our exam review video will be to find the domain of the rational function f of x equals x plus 7 over x squared minus 5x. Now, what I want you to remember about rational functions, and what I mean by rational function, a function that has a polynomial in the numerator and a polynomial in the denominator. But when you're finding the domain, the denominator is where you want to focus. And what you want to look for is you want to find your troubled spots. Now, what causes trouble in arithmetic is if the denominator of a fraction becomes 0. So to locate our trouble in higher level algebra, we take the denominator, the polynomial in the denominator, which in this case is x squared minus 5x, and we find out what causes trouble. What causes trouble is if the denominator becomes 0. If I set this denominator equal to 0, I have a quadratic equation, degree 2. It's already in standard form. I can solve this one by factoring. I'd take out my GCF is x. So I have x times x minus 5 is 0. If I have two factors multiplied together to give me 0, either the first factor is 0 or the second factor is 0. If x is 0, there's one trouble spot. If x minus 5 is 0, that means x equals 5 is another trouble spot. Now what we found is 0 is trouble and 5 is trouble. What I'm looking for is the domain, and that means what can I use? And we're asked to write the domain, or I'm going to express the domain using set builder notation. So my domain here, in set builder notation, so I put my set brackets, my domain is the set of all x's, any real number x, okay, all reals x, as long as x cannot equal 0, and as long as x cannot equal 5. In other words, the domain is the set of all real numbers, and by putting not equals, we throw out the trouble spots. Have a good day.